But today, it's just a bralette. I live in these bralettes, you guys. Like, I'm wearing a bralette. I'm gonna change into a bralette. It's never ending. 9 out of 10, it's either naka-t-shirt ako na loose or workout clothes or bralettes. Speaking of walk-in closet, I'm still in the process of decluttering my clothes. Hindi pa siya color coordinated. I plan to color coordinate everything. Pwede yung male na walk-in ko. Medyo madilim nga lang dito actually. Tapos yung kabila, meron pa akong walk-in doon. Andun yung mga coats, like yung mga sweaters, ganun, and yung mga other colorful. Kung makikita nyo, mas more neutral yung mga outfits dito sa main ko. Magulo pa siya, guys. Ang tawag ko pang inaayos. Nakakahiya po. Hindi pa talaga tapos. These ones are clothes. I just finished decluttering a bunch more clothes. So, yun ang mga hindi ko pinapakita. By the way, this brush is from Easy Peasy. You know what? I'm truly amazed with this brush. Kasi guys, bleached hair na ako ha. Medyo mas mahirap suklayin yung buhok ko kasi nga bleached yung buhok ko. Look at the hair na nakukuha niya. Usually, alam niyo ba kapag iba yung ginagamit ko, mas intense yung hair fall. Ayun nga, bleached yung buhok. Sobrang konti lang yung buhok na nakukuha nito. Plus, super affordable pa. I love it. Ayan.
Yeah, I'm the type to get naked. Won't give my heart up for breaking. Cause I'm too going to be staying. Dancing on the edge, but to take it too far. It's messing in my head, how I mess with your heart. If you wake up in your bed, alone in the dark, I'm sorry. Gotta live before you love me. Live before you love me. Live before you love me. Live before you love me.
Finished with my makeup. Guys, look at this pimple. Sobrang laki niya, as in sobrang laki niya. By the way, di ko alam kung napapansin nyo, yung aking tan, nagpa-fade na siya. Finally, like 2 or 3, kailan ba ako na ganun? July, August, oh my gosh, it's been 2 months. So 2 months ago, nag-beach ako. Bihira lang ako mag-beach, pero I know myself na whenever I get tan, my tan usually fades naman within like weeks. Parang this particular tan, parang 2 months, tapos andito pa rin siya. Pero finally, it's fading. As in, nagpapantay na ulit yung kulay. At first kasi ang ganda ng itsura ng tan ko. As the days went by, parang hindi na siya even. Like, hindi na siya maganda itsura sa akin. Yeah, I'm so happy. Ang ginamit ko lang dito is Duru. And you guys know naman, I love Duru. Wait, I'll show you guys a soap para syempre mapakita ko sa inyo. Ito si Duru, guys. This is the Blooming White variant. Ito yung favorite ko. Naglabas ako ng bago para makita nyo. But do you see that? Translucent siya. So, it's not solid na solid yung color niya. Tapos kung makikita nyo, yung mga dot-dot dyan, actually Italian olive leaves. Yung mga leaves, yan yung mga nag-exfoliate. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-scrub pa kasi na-exfoliate na niya yung skin mo pero gentle lang siya. This smells so good. Like, I can smell this all day. Ang sarap niya ipanligo. Actually makes my shower routine more enjoyable. And as you guys can see, halatang-halata nyo naman. I'm gonna insert some pictures of how my tan looked like before I was using Duru. Now, it's evened out. Super happy with the progress. I've tried and tested this for countless times. I think I've been using this since last year and every time meron akong mga uneven skin problems. Like right now, meron akong dry skin. I swear by this soap. It's actually a favorite. Bihira ako magsabi na, you know, a product is my absolute holy grail favorite. I would say they're nice because products, you know, products are really hard to F up, but it's so rare for me to say na HG status. Medyo under na tayo kay Duru kasi sobrang effective niya sa akin. So ngayon, tinatry ko siya for my underarms as well. And ayan, yung mga, ito medyo bago lang to, mga sugat, mga kagat, para mas mag-even out yung skin tone ko. What I like about this soap is wala kang peeling effect. Kahit na it evens out your skin tone, walang peeling effect. It's never drying. It's never tight feeling. It's actually made with Italian olive oil para nakaka-moisturize pa rin siya. And it's just overall a pleasant experience. Gulat na nga lang ako kanina, parang, uy, ano na, nag-i nag-even out na yung tan ko kasi nga alam ko pansin niyo yan, medyo ang tagal mawala ng tan ko. Yeah, I'm using Duru right now. A lot of you have been actually tagging me and thank you so much. Marami din nag-message sa inyo na sinasabi niyo na gustuhan niyo nga rin si Duru and it's now your favorite soap. I can highly relate. It's really, really good. I think meron sila sa Shopee. I'm gonna link them below na lang. But yeah, just a quick mention on my current soap that has helped me so much with my post-vacation tan lines na medyo uneven na hindi na siya maganda. So yeah, just a quick reco. Speaking of recos, since we're talking about recos, I want to recommend a blush. Now, I recommended this sa 8-8 favorites ko, but this is the blush I wore right now. It's so good. Nakita ko to sa international YouTuber na pinapanood ko. Taylor Wynn. I love her. The Tela. Matagal ko na siyang pinapanood. So, she recommended this essence blush in the shade Be Fitting. I'm gonna try to link it below kasi last time I checked, it's already sold out. You guys sold it out. This is super long lasting and I just love the color. The time I got this, it was on sale for $199. So, super affordable. Sobrang smooth. Parang high-end. I actually like this better than this ColourPop one. This one is just, the pigment is non-existent, you guys. Parang, sobrang, hindi siya pigmented. Ewan ko kung ako lang ba. Pero parang, powdery. See, like, I try to swatch it right here. Pigment is just not even. Parang powdery siya na hindi nagtatagal yung pigment. This one from Essence is super, super nice. Like, it's more even. Alam mo yung feeling na mas magtatagal siya sa balat mo. If you're looking for a long-lasting blush, check itong Essence. Also, update on my hair. As you guys can see, di na siya gray. Parang ash na siya. Although, pag tumitingin ako dun sa malayuan, parang ano pa naman, na-preserve naman niya yung pagka-ash niya. Hindi naman siya yellow, thankfully. This tone of hair, sana hindi na siya mag-fade. Sana ganito na siya for evs. Yun yung na-feel ko ngayon. Parang sana ganito na siya for evs. Bagay na yung lahat ng outfits ko sa kanya. I realized kailangan ko na magkupit ng kuko. You know what? I can't stand yung mga long nails. Like, natatempt akong kagatin sila. I have a bad habit of biting my nails, you guys. And dalawa o tatlong beses na nasira yung veneers ko dahil sa kuko ko. Pag ganito na siya kahaba, usually kailangan ko nang magupit ng kuko. But anyway, update. Niisip ko kung kakainin ko yung healthy food or kung mag-grab food ako. It's such a hard decision. Yung gusto mo maging healthy pero ang sarap din kasi kumain so hindi mo alam kung saan ka lulugar. I highly recommend this Fika pan, by the way. Super high quality. Matagal to sa amin. Although hindi naman kami lagi nagluluto din. Pero, guys, I've tried other pans. Ang bilis mangitim, ang bilis masunog. This one, wala talagang kasunog-sunog. Tapos, non-stick siya. So, pwede minsan, kapag ayaw nyo maglagay ng oil, kunwari itlog or something, okay lang. Pwede. Mabilis lang siya hugasan. Wala nga pala kami makain kundi healthy food. Huwag tayong tumingin-tingin, dito lang tayo ngayon. Yum! Today's food! Ang sarap. Actually, ang sarap nito for sure.